Hello, Muscle Car Corner here. Here with an amazing car that I just love. Butch Leal's California Flash. I don't know if this is a real deal car or not, if it's a clone, but I just love the color combination on this car, always did. Saw this car run at Gator Nationals back in the day, I believe 75 or 76. It's so cool to see it here. Duster Do. Hello. Man, we got some amazing cars here. They're just everywhere. Look at these six-pack cars. 446 barrel, 69 446 barrel Super B, 69 A12 Roadrunner. That's what I'm talking about.